Previously on The Adventures of Kitty, Kitty got attacked by a black puffle, and now here he is on the Kitty Talk Show!
Thank you! I'll move that crappy thing. Look at this rocking pillow. Anyway. I'm sorry. So we're gonna talk with that bubble today. Come on! Bring him out! Bring him out! So, why do you attack me? Really? Okay. I am not fat! You're the one that's fat! You have no body! So you can't have any body language.